By leveraging AI video editors in 2024, you can unlock incredible earning potential, with some professionals making upwards of $100,000 annually. These tools empower even novice editors to produce professional quality videos, opening doors to lucrative opportunities in content creation, marketing, and beyond. Welcome to day 10 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we dive into the transformative world of AI video editors. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your passion for video editing into a profitable venture? Or how you can stay ahead in the competitive digital market? With cutting-edge tools, AI has revolutionized many industries, and video editing is no exception. With advancements in AI technology, even those with minimal experience can create stunning videos, paving the way for substantial earnings. Imagine creating videos that generate thousands of dollars in revenue, or landing high-paying freelance gigs because of your enhanced editing skills. In 2024, this is not just a possibility but a burgeoning reality. The past decade has seen video editing evolve from a highly technical skill to something accessible to everyone. AI-powered video editors have simplified complex tasks, allowing users to produce professional-grade videos effortlessly. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro with AI integration, Lumen 5, and Magisto use artificial intelligence to automate tasks like scene detection, color correction, and even content creation, making the editing process faster and more efficient. AI video editors utilize machine learning algorithms to analyze video content. They can recognize patterns, detect scenes, and even suggest edits based on the content and style of the video. For example, if you're creating a promotional video, the AI can automatically generate transitions, add suitable music, and ensure that the pacing of the video keeps the viewer engaged. The financial prospects in this field are vast. Here are some avenues to explore. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are brimming with opportunities for video editors. With AI tools, you can take on more projects simultaneously, increasing your earning potential. Top freelancers in this field can earn anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 annually. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have seen a surge in demand for high-quality video content. By using AI video editors, content creators can produce videos more efficiently, allowing them to post more frequently and attract larger audiences. Successful content creators can earn substantial income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Companies are constantly in need of video content for marketing, training, and communication. AI video editors allow you to offer competitive services to businesses, providing them with polished, professional videos. Corporate video editors can command high rates, often earning six-figure incomes. Sharing your knowledge about AI video editing can be another lucrative path. Creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare can generate passive income. Additionally, offering one-on-one coaching or workshops can supplement your earnings. To illustrate the potential, let's look at a few success stories. Jane Doe, a freelance video editor. Jane started using AI video editors in 2023. By automating repetitive tasks, she doubled her output and took on more clients. In 2024, she earned $120,000 by freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr, landing high-profile clients thanks to her enhanced efficiency and quality. John Smith, a YouTube content creator. John leveraged AI tools to streamline his video production process. His channel, which focuses on tech reviews, saw a 200% increase in video output, resulting in a surge in subscribers and ad revenue. In 2024, John's channel earned him over $150,000. Acme Corp, a mid-sized marketing agency, by integrating AI video editors into their workflow, Acme Corp reduced their video production time by 40%. This efficiency allowed them to take on more clients and projects, boosting their annual revenue by $500,000. Starting your journey with AI video editors is easier than you might think. Here are some steps to get you going. Research and select an AI video editor that suits your needs. Popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Lumen 5, and Magisto. Each has unique features tailored to different aspects of video editing. While AI simplifies many tasks, understanding the fundamentals of video editing is crucial. Take advantage of online tutorials, courses, and forums to build your foundational knowledge. The more you use AI video editors, the more proficient you'll become. Experiment with different styles, techniques, and features to discover what works best for you. Start by creating sample videos to showcase your skills. A strong portfolio is essential for attracting clients and securing projects. Utilize social media, freelance platforms, and networking to promote your video editing services. Highlight the advantages of using AI tools in your work to stand out from the competition. While the benefits of AI video editors are substantial, there are challenges to be aware of. Like any new technology, there is a learning curve. Investing time in learning how to use AI tools effectively is crucial. AI technology is rapidly evolving. Staying current with the latest updates and features is necessary to maintain a competitive edge. While AI can handle many tasks, maintaining a personal touch and creative input is essential to produce unique and engaging videos. Looking ahead, the future of AI video editing is promising. Advances in machine learning and neural networks will continue to enhance the capabilities of AI tools, making them even more intuitive and powerful. Additionally, the integration of virtual and augmented reality in video editing will open up new creative possibilities. Embracing AI video editors in 2024 is not just about keeping up with trends, it's about seizing opportunities to maximize your earning potential. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner, these tools can significantly enhance your efficiency and output, leading to substantial financial rewards. As you embark on this journey, remember that the key to success lies in continuous learning, experimentation, and staying adaptable to new technologies. Thank you for joining us on day 10 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies in the coming days. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.